How to add grid lines on iPhone camera. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add grid lines on iPhone's camera. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So by default, whenever you open camera, you will see that there is no grid lines. If you want to add grid lines, you can just check out different settings on the camera app itself, but you won't find anything there. So what you'll need to do is just head back to your home page and go to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find camera. It's right below accessibility and right above control center. Tap on camera and under composition, you will see the grid option. Simply turn that grid on, and after you do that, you can simply just go back to your camera and there you'll see the grid has been added. And that is basically how you add grid lines on iPhone camera. Thanks for watching guys. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to like our video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye, take care.